Today I'll walk you through exactly how to rename a module in Make, the automation platform, so your scenarios stay clean, readable, and easy to manage as they grow. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Make and navigate to the scenario that contains the module you want to rename. Once you're inside the scenario editor, you'll see your workflow laid out as a series of circular icons connected by lines. This is where all the action happens, and keeping your modules clearly labeled here is one of those small habits that saves you a lot of confusion later, especially when you're working with complex multi-step automations. Now hover your mouse over the module you want to rename. You'll notice the icon highlights slightly. That's your cue that it's ready to interact with. Here's an important detail that trips a lot of people up. You need to right-click directly on the large circular icon itself, not on the text name that appears beneath it. If you right-click the label text, you'll get a limited context menu that doesn't include the rename option. So make sure your cursor is sitting right on that big circle before you click. Go ahead and right-click the circular icon now. A context menu will appear with several options. Find Rename and click it. This opens a small text field panel attached to the module where you can type in whatever name makes sense for your workflow. Good module names are specific. Instead of something generic like HTTP request, you might write something like fetch product data from API. That kind of clarity makes your scenario self-documenting, which is a real time saver when you revisit it weeks later or hand it off to someone else. Type your desired name into that text field, then save your changes. Depending on your version of Make, saving might mean pressing enter, clicking a check mark, or simply clicking outside the field. Any of those will confirm the rename. The module's label updates immediately, right there in the editor. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a module in Make. It's a quick operation, but building this habit as you go keeps your scenarios readable for your future self and for anyone else who might need to work inside them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.